Welcome to Study Loop.
So here we're given a situation where a plane is diving and then the plane is climbing, and we are asked to find the net work done in both cases and then to find the difference between the net work during the dive and the climb. Now the important numbers that we need to pay attention to is the S, which is 1.7 times 10 to the power 3, and the weight or the gravitational force, which is 5.9 times 10 to the power 4. We'll be using these values shortly. Now let's start by first finding the work done, the net work done during the dive. So when the plane is diving, there are three forces acting on it. There's the lift, so we have work done by lift. There's the thrust, so we have work done by the thrust. And then there is also the work done by gravity. So those are the three forces doing work on the plane while it is in the dive. Work done by the lift is 0 because the lift and displacement are perpendicular to each other. We do not know the thrust force, so we cannot actually get a numerical value for WT. But what we can say is that the work done would be WT. And then we can find the work done by the gravitational force, which would be equal to 5.9 times 10 to the power 4, that's the gravitational force, times the displacement, 1.7 times 10 to the power 3 meters, and then times the cosine of 75 degrees, where 75 degrees is the angle between the weight and the displacement. So we get the net work done during the dive is WT plus 2.6 times 10 to the power 7 joule. Now let's calculate the work done during the climb, and again I have those three forces, so I would have the work done by the lift force, work done by the thrust, plus the work done by the force of gravity. Work done by lift is still 0. I cannot still find the work done by thrust, but it would be the same as during dive because the same magnitude of thrust and the same displacement as well. So then let's calculate the work done by gravity, which would be 5.9 times 10 to the power 4 times 1.7 times 10 to the power 3. But the only thing that's going to change now is the angle between gravitational force and displacement, which now is 115 degrees. So we get WT minus 4.2 times 10 to the power 7 joule. And now looking at these two values, we can definitely say that the work done during dive is more than the work done during climb. So that's the answer to part A. Now let's take a look at part B. For part B, we just have to find the difference. So since work dive is more, so we'll say that's equal to work during dive minus the work during climb, and that difference is equal to 6.8 times 10 to the power 7 joule.